Hello, and welcome to another update video about light crude oil futures, WTI. We have a dip into the support region we talked about in the last update, I believe. At least I updated it somewhere. I think it was here on YouTube as well, and we talked about this as a possible top there in wave 1 of a C wave that could lead to an overshooting B wave. And the current idea is that this B wave is unfolding, has been unfolding, since this A wave low where the price bottomed in May 23. So, this has been a boring sideways range. Recently, we've started to see some action. The problem is that nothing here is really impulsive to the upside. Okay, that is a bit of a problem. At least it means it keeps us on our toes. So all I can do here is to share with you the Elliott wave structure. I'm not claiming it's the only way how you can analyze oil. I'm not claiming it's necessarily the best method, but what it is, it's a great risk management method, and it gives you a great roadmap and different scenarios. But please note that whenever we're dealing with triangles or we're dealing with movements that are not impulsive, like the move after this triangle bottomed, it's difficult to call that really an impulse based on the internal structure. This always reduces Elliott waves' predictive powers. All right. So we have a sideways range there, which I call wave B, off B. And then the idea is a C wave started, and it might easily take us to above $100. We have a wave 1 and a wave 2, which could be nearly complete. The problem I have with this wave 2 pullback is that it is the microstructure is just not clear. I can call that an AB, but then the C wave is way too short. It's valid, but we have a nice bounce even from the golden ratio level at $72. Bottom line is, as long as it's holding above 68, we could go with that scenario. But it needs to break above our signal level here, which we can put a green line there just sort of as a breakout point. That would be my signal level above $75. I think it can go higher in the third wave there. So wave 1, wave 2, this could be a third wave up then, which would then need to be further confirmed with a break above the $79.40, $79.50 level. And then it can send the price towards $100 plus, yeah. So this is the bullish count. I need to see a move above the signal line. Against that, you could still easily expect more downside, even within the yellow wave too, because the problem is, as I said, the C wave internally is very unclear. It's not very clear, the microstructure. So, but that's gold. No, not gold. That's oil. Yellow count, bullish count, $68 support. That's not the invalidation point. The invalidation point, again, a bit tricky because I'm tracking that as a triangle here. I think I explained that in the last video. And normally I would need to measure the fibs from here, right, from the end of the triangle, but I don't trust that, so I measured it from the low. So you could say we have a small invalidation point in the large one. The smaller one is actually here around $67. And below that level, all I'm saying is if it breaks below 67, it has another chance at 65 to turn around. But then we are already, so deep, so close to support and so close to an invalidation point that it likely will break. So what we want is that it holds in this area, $68. It already gives it plenty of space. So if this is bullish, it should turn around there. That's the bullish count. Let's talk about the bearish count as well and what the microstructure might be. Before we do that, quick announcement. I've started a new channel, and it's our new main channel. You might know that we have several channels. We have worldwide communities, stock communities, but also crypto communities, different languages as well. But there was something missing that connects all of them. And this is our new channel. It will be the main channel of MCO, really the absolute main channel. Doesn't mean there will be most content. No, there might only be a video every couple of days, but it will be like high quality. It will not be like the rapid market updates we do here on More Trading Online. This will be different. Just watch the video if you're interested. It will be more like, interviews, podcast stuff, geopolitical events, maybe even fundamental analysis coupled with Elliott wave analysis. It will just be completely different content, next level stuff. Something that people also want to watch like a week after, 2 weeks, Whereas here on More Trading Online, the content is more geared towards really rapid market updates. So I'm linking that in the description. It literally just started, but it's going to be the new main channel. Whereas More Trading Online will continue to deliver as usual, but they are more like, as you know, rapid market updates. What is the bearish count? I mean, I would have to say that in the bearish count, because we can never really trust these triangles, yeah? But as long as we're holding above support, I go with yellow. Now, below $68, it's likely that this B wave is still unfolding. And yeah, the situation then would be that this could come down quite a bit, actually, right? So we could even say, let me change the wave degree of this. We could say the C wave is an ending diagonal. So we have the reason why I don't prefer that is because the declines are also all corrective. But this could be wave 1 in that diagonal, wave 2. Then we get an ABC down in wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. It would probably have to take the shape of a wedge pattern or something. Otherwise, this wave B would significantly overshoot here to the downside. But this would be a reasonable, let's say, short-term bearish alternative in wave B before then a C wave starts. So it would simply delay it, right? To make that clear, it would extend the B wave that presumably bottomed here in December as a triangle. It would simply mean it's a flat A, B, C, then up. Yeah, and that would be an alternative, but I will only start to focus on that should the market break below $68. That's the update about oil. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.